So I like to do these questions by setting up a Venn diagram and then labeling quantities that represent the region that we're interested in. So we have two types of children that are either vaccinated against rubella, so R, and then M is for mumps. So I'll start translating this. Here, what you'll note that this is the entire circle of children that have been vaccinated against rubella. This is the overlap, both rubella and mumps. So we'll start translating. They tell us that the number of children who've been vaccinated against rubella is twice the number who've been vaccinated against mumps. So if this entire circle is X, this is 2X. And then the next statement is the number who have been vaccinated against both is twice the number who have been vaccinated only against mumps. So if this is Y, mumps only would be X minus Y. And what they're saying is Y is twice of X minus Y. And then we're also told that 5,000 have been vaccinated against both. So actually they tell us what Y is. So sometimes, it might be easier to start from the bottom, but we can still use this information and figure out what X is. 2 times X minus 5,000. So that would be 2,500. And so we'll be able to figure out what X is, which is 7,500. So at this point, I'm going to read the question and see what they're asking. How many have been vaccinated only against rubella? So that, which is really 2X minus Y, is what I need. So 2X would be 15,000. And then Y is 5,000. So that's 10,000. Answer choice C. So another variation may be that students start with the number that they've given, because those statements in algebraic terms seem harder to interpret. So they tell us 500 have been vaccinated against both. So that's 500. And then we go back to the second statement. The number who have been vaccinated against both, 5,000, is twice who have been vaccinated against mumps only. So that's mumps only. So M minus 5,000. So this might be easier. And then you get M is 7,500. We can fill these out. This is 5,000. That's 2,500. And then we go back to the first relationship that rubella is twice the number of mumps. So that's 15,000, which means rubella only would be 15,000 minus 5,000 is 10,000. So this might seem easier. I just kind of started with the general translations, which are helpful in data sufficiency. So either way, I think you have to kind of use a method that works best for you, because when you're doing these under time pressure, it's best to kind of stick to the approach that works best for you. So to summarize, the answer is C.